What's good, people? How's it going? Here to make a quick review on Brita, the 5 cup. I just bought it like 4 days ago, I would say. I've been using water bottles ever since I bought this. So I bought the Brita just to save some money. I always wanted a Brita, and this is the time I got one. And this Brita is supposed to be saving me $20 a year from the water bottles that I used to buy. And I'm always excited to save some type of money. So right off the bat, I see this dot on my Brita, and it looks like mold. I'm telling you, it looked like mold. It looked like dirt. It looked like a dirt speck, right? So I wanted to clean that as soon as possible. This Brita includes a filter, which is great, and also a manual that'll show you how to install it correctly. Also a sticker to put on the Brita. Also has a reservoir that holds the filter. And right here I'm putting the water inside the Brita for the first time. There's 4 little holes on the bottom of the reservoir that shoot out the drinkable water. I don't like my water hot, so I put it in the fridge for a couple days. And here is the end product. So for me, it didn't taste like purified clean water because my throat was itchy. My stomach felt like I just drunk sink water. Just my opinion though. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. I'm still debating on keeping it. I read other reviews and it sounds like it'll get better over time. That's my little quick review on the 5 cup Brita. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later.
Gotta transport like Uber. Take the spotlight like Luna. Money grows on me like tumor. Spreading out bread like rumor. Hey, yeah, hey, yeah, hey.